Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Hey, we're Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? What we have here is a vintage Mountain Rose cigar ad. You would have seen in some type of retail store or cigar store, or possibly even at a bar. But a really nice detail in it. You got your Mountain Rose sitting there in idyllic situation with flowers and butterflies before she lights up that stinky cigar. So if you are into vintage advertising, you're a cigar guy, this or girl, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.